Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Sage. Today I'm going to perform a magic trick that is probably not going to work, but we're going to try it. So I have up on Github a directory loader that I love. I love this thing. What this does is this uses the unstructured file loader that allows you to upload a bunch of different files to like an API, like a Openai API. You can. So what I'm doing is I'm uploading a bunch of different files. I can upload all these kinds of files, and I can then upload them to a Pinecone database. And then I can run them against an LLM like OpenAI and have it talk to that data. And so what we're going to do today is we are going to attempt to make this code work. Now, it does work for me, but it is so easy for this to not work. What I can tell you is I tried for a long time to get this to load on my PC. I prefer to work on a PC. The biggest problem we have is that it requires a tool called Detectron 2. You can see it here. And Detectron 2, if you look it up, only is supported on Linux and Mac OS. Now, there are people that say they have installed this on Windows, and I believe them. I believe they can do that, but I could not do it. And I happen to have a Mac, and so I tried to install it on a Mac, and it worked. Now, here's the thing, though. You can't just... even that was a problem. And this link was the secret to my success, okay? The idea here, basically, is to create an environment that is running Python 3.8. So for whatever reason, some of these dependencies on here don't run in newer versions of Python. So what we're going to do today is we are going to install a new environment. We're going to use Anaconda because Anaconda is what they tell me to use. So we're going to use Anaconda. We're going to set up a new environment. We're going to install all these libraries, and we're going to try and run that script. Who knows? All I know is I have done this, and now I'm going to see if lightning can strike twice, and we're going to try it for a second time. All right, so here is my Mac. For whatever, if this is remote access to the Mac because I record stuff on my PC. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to, let's see, we're going to go to Anaconda. Okay, it's right here. Now, if I haven't made a video on how to install Anaconda yet, but I certainly could if you would like me to. So, okay. So at any rate, we're going to open up Anaconda. And I have used, most of the stuff that I do is Python. I've done just Python. I've done just Anaconda. I've gone back and forth and back and forth. Now I'm an Anaconda kind of guy. Mostly because this works. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make a new environment. You go to environments over here. Let me see if I can I've been trying this here. Of course, the thing that I want. Okay, yeah. So you do environments, and then you come down here and you click create, and we're gonna call it lightning. We're gonna call it lightning. We're gonna call it lightning 2x. You get me? And the trick is we're not going to use Python 3.10.11. No. We're going to use Python 3.8, right? Isn't that what we're using? 3.8. That's right. Okay. And what is this? I don't know. We're just going to click create. Okay. So this, I believe, is critically important to do this. Okay. Now I have, and again, this is on a Mac. So in a Mac, you use terminal. You don't use the Anaconda prompt. I don't understand. I don't know why. But what we're going to do is, where should we go next? So do you see here, we're in the Lightning 2X environment. That's critical because now this is a brand new environment. We're going to have to install everything. Everything, I say. Okay, it wants me to pip install unstructured local interface. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm on the unstructured file. I'll link to this. Don't worry. And I believe this is not going to work. Let's just, first of all, you have to take out the exclamation point for sure. But I don't think this is going to work. I think this is going to say, I don't know what pip is. Nope, it worked. I'm doing so many different environments. Maybe pip 3 only worked on my PC. My brain is like mush, okay? Brain is mush. So what are we installing? Unstructured. Are we? No. Are we doing that already? Yeah, we're installing unstructured. Okay, good. Great. Let's just do that, shall we? That seems brave and bold. Okay, let's see. So it's doing its thing. I'll press pause because it could say, oh, it's done. I don't even need to press pause. Look, hooray. That looked promising. Now, the next thing it says is just do this. Don't do this. Don't. Go to this dude, okay? And do what this guy says. Why? Because all I know is I did what this guy said to do, and it frickin' worked. So I'm copying this, and I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm doing conda. Is that bad to do pip and then conda? Probably. I don't know, but I'm doing it. Do I want to do this? Of course I want to do this. All right, here we go. We're doing all these kinds of things. So it's extracting all this stuff. If we go back to that guy's thing here, we're installing pytorch, torchvision, and torchaudio. And then C pytorch. I don't even know what that means. Just do it. Just do it. I don't know why. Okay. And then we're going to install OpenCV. We're just doing what this guy says. Why? Because it works. That's why. That's all you need to know. That's all I need to know. Eventually, you're so beaten down and so exhausted, you're just copying and pasting anything. You know? Like you don't even care. Okay, here, we're going to do this. We're going to paste. Conda, yeah, let's try it. Collecting packages, okay? The key here is, yes, of course I want to proceed. Do I know what I'm doing? No, but I'm just proceeding. I know that. I'm telling you, the key here, I believe, is a new environment in Python 3.8 and Anaconda. I think those are the secret ingredients, okay? And then this guy over here, this guy. Then install Detectron via this page, okay? We're going to do this. Oddly, this didn't, okay. I don't know. This guy had problems doing this. We're going to just do this. Okay. Python. We're going to run a Python script. Now, what did they say to do? Detectron pip install. I'm telling you, this guy says to do this. I'm doing this. I'm doing what this guy says. Oops. Okay. Okay. That didn't go exactly how I planned. What does it need to look like exactly? Just the. Okay, we're going to get rid of this. And we're going to go back. We're going to get rid of this. And we're going to press enter. Okay. Things are happening. That's what I know. Things are happening. And that's good. This wheel, building wheel for Detectron 2, this is where I got hung up on my PC. It was ridiculous. Ridiculous. Here, let me see if I can do middle. Look at there. Look at there. Okay. Oh, it's done. Yay. Okay. Then it says you must be able to run locally the code from the tutorial, but you must add CFG model. I didn't do that. I don't even know what that guy's saying. I didn't do that. Okay. Now this is the CPU version of Detectron. Apparently, it's much slower than the GPU version, but all I know is this version runs, and so that's good enough for me. Okay, so now we're going to install these things. But here's the thing. Now you have to have brew, okay? Now, if you're new to this whole game and you don't know what brew is, you got to go to this place and you got to install Homebrew. Now, I've already done it, okay? Now, let's check if brew is installed, shall we? Shall we? We just go over here and we type in brew. Bam. If it didn't know what it would say, yo, no, I don't know what you're talking about. But that is good news, okay? And then it would say command not found brew. But you see, it found it. But that's only because I spent 5 days figuring out this crap. I'll put a link to this. You gotta do this. You gotta, okay? Now, we're gonna go here and we're gonna install these things. Brew, install, libmagic. Okay, we're gonna install these things. Go here, paste. Okay, brew, libmagic. Let's do it. Bam. Look at that magic. Okay. Now, these must be, this is not in the environment, but I'll just double check. Brew install poppler. Okay. Can't remember what poppler's for. It doesn't matter. Just install it. I knew at one point. Go. Okay. Good. It's in there. Good. Where to go? Tesseract. Love that name. Tesseract. Tesseract. What does Tesseract do? I think it detects something. I can't remember. It doesn't matter. Just install it. Just install it. You need it. You're going to be happy you have it. Trust me. Trust me. Bam. Okay, good. Good. We're doing good, everybody. If parsing XML or HTML documents, you can do this stuff. I mean, why not? Do you get it? You install these things, okay? Just install those things, will you? Okay, now let's go with any kind of luck. With any kind of luck. This is, where is it? This code should now work. Did I install Langchain? I think I have to install Langchain. Hold on. I might not have installed Langchain. It'll tell you. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Hold on. Can't remember remember if I installed Langchain. Do pip install Langchain. Do it. Pip install it. Pip install it. Yes, it's installing. Good. Good. That's good because you're going to want that. You're going to need that. You're going to be happy you have that. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay, so where did my little document go? Right here. Okay. So what we're doing here is now I will show you around a little bit, so you know exactly what you're doing. So Langchain is this really sweet tool that allows you to do all kinds of cool things with an LLM. And an LLM is like ChatGPT, okay? There's other kinds, like Hugging Face, and you get it. But this tool talks to those LLMs and does really cool stuff. So I want to show you, for example, like Langchain documents, okay? If you're down with this stuff, man, I recommend that you come over here and you learn about Langchain, because this is it. This is the thing, okay? And so it's super cool, but let me see. So they got there's so much you can do in here, and the documentation is pretty good. Langchain. Let's just do a search for Langchain document loader. Actually, now I think this is broke. Oh, yeah. So this shows you how to do this. Okay, now let me show you another thing. So let's go back to Langchain file loader. Okay, unstructured. I'm just going to go to unstructured file loader because this is what we are working on. Okay, unstructured right here. Okay. So Unstructured is this amazing tool that you basically throw a bunch of junk in a folder and it sorts it out for you, okay? And if you remember these things that we installed, these talk to Unstructured. So it's like, oh, that guy's got a PDF, let's run Poppler. There's images, let's run that's right, images. Like, so image search. I just did this for a client where they were school and they had their what it cost to go to school in a JPEG. I just threw it up there, tesseract, read it, and then when I ran it through my my AI chatbot, it knew all the data, and that was the only place that data was available. So that's why you want these things, is that these things are all kind of running in the background, all right? Now, there's all different kinds of ways to call data. And you can see, so they're right here. So over here, like integrations. Look at all these integrations. Appify, by the way, is this amazing thing for spidering websites. I'll have to talk to you about that. But at any rate, this is the documentation from Langchain about installing Unstructured, okay? And believe you me, I've tried installing it like this, but it did not work. The only thing that I finally got to work, and I think honestly it was because it didn't say that I needed to change the version of Python. I mean, of Python. So this guy right here saves the day. He's like, just make an environment with Python 3.8. And that was, I think that's what made all of the difference. Okay. So how are we doing? Do you kind of get it? Do you kind of get it now? Also, so the document file loader basically allows you to load one document at a time, but I'm not a one document at a time kind of guy. I want to load a bunch of documents And that is where, where'd it go? Where is, oh, it's right here. That's where document loader comes in. And so document loader, why did it do that? Why did it, what happened? Ugh. How did I lose? Oh, wait. Okay, thank you. All right. So document loader works with file loader, but instead of calling just a document, I'm calling a whole folder. And you'll see over here, I have, I have the Constitution, but wait. Okay. And I'm also going to, I just added this JPEG to the folder. And again, I'm using, this is GitHub desktop. We can do a video on that if you want. But I got sidetracked, if you can imagine that. So here, now we have this in here. And the goal is we're going to now have, my file loader, which is unstructured file loader, go in here. It should read the Constitution in PDF form. This is the Constitution. Okay. You can ask it all kinds of questions. And then we're going to have this Abraham Lincoln quote, and we're going to see if it can read that. Okay? Good? You good? Okay, so what I want you to do is, if you want to play along at home, I recommend that you fork this little bad boy here, okay? And then download it. I like to use Open with GitHub Desktop personally. And then you're going to have this code right here. But you can also just download this code if you want. That's all. This is all there is right now. This is it. All this is doing is loading the contents from a folder into Pinecone. Okay, and I'm using Pinecone. I probably don't need import Chroma because I'm not using Chroma. But anyways, I'm not changing this code, man. The last thing I need is for this crap to break. So I might change it someday, but you can try and change it. See if I need Chroma. I don't know why I would need Chroma. I'm not doing anything on Chroma. But anyways, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get your Pinecone API key and your Pinecone environment. If you're on the free one, it right now is US West 4 GCP. And then you're going to need your openai API key. Okay. I am not at this point going to show you how to get those. Okay. I will make another video if you want me to. There's a billion videos on how to get your API keys. Okay. And you should also know that how I'm doing this right now is absolutely not the preferred safe way of doing it, especially if you're going to upload this back into GitHub. If you put your Pinecone API key and your OpenAI API key up here and you upload it, bad news bears, baby. Bad news bears. Okay. So, what we're going to do here is how am I going to do this without showing you my API key? How am I going to do this? You know, it would help if I think things ahead. Okay. So, I know how we're going to do this. Hold on. First of all, I'm going to put my head up here because I'm going to start looking around at my code. I do want to show you this though. When I'm on my Mac, for some reason, I prefer to use Jupyter Lab, which is Jupyter Notebook. If you install Jupyter Lab, and again, I have to do this because I'm in a new environment. But I like this lab because it shows my folders and all that stuff. So it's really cool. So I'm installing this, okay? And it looks like it also installed Notebook, which is good. Okay. So let's see. Copy test. May have produced errors. Lovely. That's lovely. That's really great. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. All right, I think I figured it out. I had Jupyter Notebook launched in another environment. That's what I'm betting. That's what I'm betting. No, of course not. All right, screw it. We're just going to use this notebook here. This works. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we are going to go to the folders where you keep crap. Okay. And where I keep crap is right in here. And this is my directory loader. Okay. Now I'm not going to open it. I am going to open it, but not with you. Let me look. I just want to make sure it's right. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. All my juicy API keys all right in there. All right in there. Okay, good. Okay, hold on. Okay. So wait, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to come back to that window. And then you'll be like, I found your API key, Sage. I found them. You're like, shut up. Okay. So, when you download, if you download this whole thing, you're going to get this content folder. Okay. And it's going to have the Constitution and the Brom-Lincoln quote. Of course, it's the Brom-Lincoln quote. Of course it is. Of course it is. Really great. Sage. Just another quality show by Sage Lewis. Really great. And what you are going to do is you are going to go to your terminal, okay? And if your terminal, well, no, actually, do you remember how I got here? Here, I'll show you. The easiest way to get here is you go to Anaconda, your new environment, and then you open, let me see what happens if I open Notebook. I get obsessed. Oh yeah, that's what I don't know why lab isn't working. I don't know. Okay. So, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open terminal here. And the beauty of it is it opens it in the correct environment. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the directory to where let me see. How do you do this? Do you do list? Yes, you do. So ls in this, it's in command line over at Windows, it's dir. Why couldn't we just all agree on one of them? Why? So we're going to do cd, we're going to change to documents. Okay, and I'll do it step by step. Okay, see, look at me, I changed that now, ls. Now I'm going to change to my GitHub directory, and it is not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry. Okay, and then I will ls this, and then I'm going to go into my pinecone sage directory. Yours will probably be named something else. Okay, and there it is. Okay, now I'm going to go Python. Oh, wait. Okay. I do want to talk to you a minute. So there's a couple things. There's one thing I need you to know. Okay. There is. Okay. I do need to come over to Pinecone. I want to show you something on Pinecone. You just need to know this. I'm not going to show you, if you haven't watched 500 of these videos like I have, you might be a little confused. So you're going to have an index, okay? And you can, if you have the free version, you can only have one index. And you can name it whatever you want. Mine is called SageRock, okay? Mine is called SageRock. And in my document loader, I should somewhere have SageRock. Here it is. You see this? Put the name of your Pinecone index. See how I have SageRock? You're going to put your name in there, your index name. And then, if you notice, the environment is US West 4 GCP, okay? And that, where is that? You're probably like, it's right there, idiot. I know. Oh, there it is. It is right there. It's right here. you're going to put this right here. If you did this right, you would call this from an environment variable or whatever. But if you don't upload this to the internet, just put your crap in here, okay? You're going to save yourself so much heartache if you're not a pro. Just put your Pinecone API in here, put your OpenAI API code in there, okay? And then what I want to show you is when I come in here and I go to index info, I got these namespaces, okay? I did the King James Bible because I wanted to see what the King James Bible says. It really hates pork more than homosexuality, just so you know. Anyways, although it's up there. Anyway, complicated story. So here, I want you to remember, we have these, 4 namespaces, okay? And what I'm going to do is, down here, I am going to create a new namespace, and I'm just going to call it Happy Days, okay? Can I edit this? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. See, I'll come down here, and I will go Happy Days. Happy Days. Yeah, like that. And then, if all is right with the world, when I run this, we will come back over here and we're going to see a namespace called Happy Days. Yes, we are. Okay, but now you have to go look at my pretty face for 1 minute because I need to go in here and change that. Where is it? Hold on. I'm going to go in so you can't see I'm going to change my namespace on my super secret one to Happy Days. Okay. Happy Days. Okay. I'm going to save it. All right. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our terminal. Make sure you're on the right one. Lightning 2x. That's what I called mine. And I'll start over. You're going to type in Python. Remember, we're in the right directory. Python directory load. Oh, you're going to have to spell it right. Directory loader.py. Bam. Yep. And you get an error. That's beautiful. That's fucking beautiful. Sorry. Okay. Exceptions. Okay. No module. Okay. That's good to know. Okay. So chardet. So it looks to me like we need to get a module named chardet. I do not remember getting chardet. I don't remember that. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna. Okay, we're gonna go pip install chardet. Oh, it's a thing. It's really a thing. Okay, now we're gonna do Python directory loader. Ah, yes, good, really good, really good. I knew this was not going to work. Oh wait, no module named char. It's C chardet. Okay, all right, maybe I didn't do it right. Okay. Oh, that's it. It's C chardet. Yes. 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 Okay, bros. That is encouraging. Nope, it's not encouraging. Not encouraging. What else we got? Module, directory loader. What's going on? Chardet. I did the chardet. What's going on? Converter. Likely due to something. Okay. You see what's going on? Okay, hold on. PDF color space. Okay. All right, let's go back and make sure we've installed enough junk. Okay. Let's try, oh, maybe I don't have a PDF installer. Oh. How about, let's see, let's do a Google. Unstructured file loader PDF. Let's see. Let's see. Poppler, libmagic. Let's see. See, they're running a TXT. That's not good enough. Okay. Llama. Yes, I know. I know. Unstructured reader. Hold on. I forget which one I used. All right, I'm going to pause you for a minute. Hold on. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Days is there. There you go. Just do those things. You'll be happy. No, I'm not going to do that to you. I went offline. I actually went deeper in line. I went and talked to my friend, ChatGPT. I'm like, what the heck, man? And he's like, dude, I know, right? He's like, why don't you try reinstalling car chat normalizer and PDF miner? He's like, who even knows, man? It could be all jacked up. So I tried all this, and then I got another error. He's like, yeah, dude, I know, right? Am I right? And he's like, I don't even know, man. I don't even know what to tell you. And then, so what I did was I went back to, I went to my working environment. And of course it worked. Of course it worked. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to make another environment. Okay, we're going to try it again. Let's just try it. We're going to like never quit. That's what we're going to call this. Now wait, let me make sure. I wonder if I should try making it not in Anaconda. I'm going to try that. Okay, so let's do Mac. How to create new Python environment. Okay. There you go. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to install blah, 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 blah. Activate. Let's see. This is not what I want. I don't need the. Okay. Create virtual environments. Let's just try this. Okay. So, okay, wait. Let's go back to this dude. What was this dude? What did this dude say? Remember this dude? Remember my friend? Do. This guy. Okay. Maybe I did this. Okay. Let's try. I forget. So let's take this but we're not going to call it Detectron 2. We're going to call it Never Quit. Except I don't know where my freaking window is. Where is it? Oh, that's it. Yeah, I'm there. Okay. Okay, we're going to paste, and we're going to call it Never. Okay. All lowercase. Never quit. Bam. Okay. There. Proceed. Sure. Why not? Okay. Now, I can do conda. It says it right here. See? I don't know these things. Conda, activate, never quit. Never quite, because I can't spell things. Okay, it's never quite, because that's more appropriate. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's try it again. Let's go over to our friend here. I'm going to put this over here so I maybe will remember where it is. And then I'm going to take this guy. Okay, so we activate it, and then we're going to install these things. And where's my never quite? Here it is, never quite. I'm going to paste it. Bam. That, wait, that wasn't right. That wasn't right. Hold on. I need conda. Did I not do conda? Conda. There we go. The reason, yes, of course, I want all that juice. Wasn't that, did he say conda? Why did I see? Oh, I didn't copy that. See? Okay. Get this ready. Get this on deck. Okay. Now we're going to paste this. Bam. Okay. Do that. Proceed. Hell yeah, proceed. I mean, at what point would I be like, no, my God, no? I don't know. Who is that person that's like, no, not that? Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna try and get it so I don't have to come back. The last time I pasted that, I got a bunch of junk. There it is. Okay, good. Let's do it. Come on, man. I'm feeling good about this. I'm feeling good about this. I thought I had installed the environment in Anaconda, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I actually just followed the instructions for once. That would be freaking novel. Okay, and then of course I didn't do this because I don't know what this guy is talking about right here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay. Good. Now let's go to where else? We want something else, right? We want to do structured. No. No. We got all our homebrew stuff set. That's good. Modules. No. Where is it? No. 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 Okay. Hold on. Let me just browse around. I'll be right back. All right, I found it. Let's do unstructured. Let's pip install. I don't think we did that, right? Here, I'm gonna go over here. This guy didn't have us do unstructured. Nope. Nope, he sure didn't. Nope, he sure didn't. Let's put it right in here. Okay. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. All right. NumPy. I like to say NumPy. Uninstall NumPy, reinstall NumPy. Okay. Now, our file should be ready to go. I'm in the right folder. Okay. Let's just try it. Let's just see what happens. Python directory loader .py. Let's just see. No mod. Langchain. I didn't pip install Langchain. Pip install Langchain. That was a clean error, by the way. That was really clean. Really clean. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right. Pinecone. I didn't pip install. Oh, wait. It's pinecone-client, though. You have to see. They say install pinecone, but no, it's not. Pip. Pip install pinecone. It's pinecone-client. Don't let them fool you. It's this right here. You got to do this. You got to do this. Pinecone-client. Why would they not just name it pinecone? Make us all suffer. Go. All right. Good. Okay. Oh, got to still install OpenAI. See, this is how the pros do it. You just run your things, and then it tells you what to install. That, yeah, that's how the pros do it. How the pros do it. Oh, tick token. I forgot about that. Yeah. Okay, this is gooder. This is gooder though, everybody. You know what would be nice if I wrote down all of these for you? Wouldn't that be nice? Maybe I will. I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I will. Okay, that was thrilling. Did you see that? Did you see that? Okay, now what we're going to need to do is we're going to go to my pine cone and we're going to see happy days there again, but it should be bigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to do one last test. Okay. Okay. Happy days 96. Okay. I'm going to call it never quit. No, I'm going to call it never quite. Okay. So what I'm going to do, what am I going to do? I'll show you what I'm going to do. We're going to go to our thingy. Okay. And we're going to go down here and we're going to edit. What are we going to edit? Oh, that's right. The namespace. So literally never quite. Okay. And we want to make sure we have the right folder, okay, where our content is. Okay, just those are the two things. Once you get your APIs set up and you put in your index here, then really when this baby is rocking and rolling, you just change this namespace, you point where the folder is, and bam, okay? Bamity bam. Okay, now hold on. I have to do it in my real folder, my real file. Hold on 1 secondy second. Edit. Okay, never quite. Story of my life. Never quite. Okay. Now we're gonna go here. We're gonna run Python directory loader. It's doing magic. And then we're going to go to our PyCon. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Never quite. And you know what you've done there? Nothing. You can't do anything with that right now. But don't you worry. The next video is I'm going to show you how to use that data. Okay? This just uploads the data into Pinecone. A lot of these tools, a lot of times will have it all in one. I'm a component guy. You know, when I buy like an audio system, I don't know, they call them stereos anymore. I don't know what they call them. I like components. I build my own PCs. I don't like going to the store. I like components. So this is an unstructured loader component. And what I love about this code is it's so beautifully clear that you can maybe try adding other kinds of loaders and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blue. Okay. So if you did that, you are a monster. You're awesome. Okay. That only took 48 minutes. Ha! But if you were able to do it, congratulations.